Factor the expression below. Which of the following is one of the factors? So I've got 7x squared minus 16x minus 15. Now, 7 does not go into 16 or 15, so I can't pull out a greatest common factor. So I'm going to have to try to double bubble this directly. And I know that my first terms have to multiply to be 7x squared. So it's going to be 7x and x. And then my last terms have to multiply to 15. So my options are 15 and 1, 5 and 3, 3 and 5, and that's it. Okay, so I'm just going to have to guess. Okay, so let's do 3 and 5 and see what happens when we FOIL. 7x times x is 7x squared. Okay, good. 7x times 5 is 35x. And then I have a 3x. So there's no way I can put together a 35 and a 3 to make a negative 16. So let's try and swap these. Let's put the 5 here and the 3 here. So now I have 7x squared. 7x times 3 is 21x and 5x. So 21 minus 5 is actually 16. But I want it to come out to negative 16. So I want the negative 21. So I'm going to put a negative there to make negative 21x plus 5x. That would give me the minus 16x. And then I have minus 5. So which of the following is one of the factors? B, 7x plus 5.